deciding on an undergraduate major is an important choice shaping career opportunities after college. However, the range of programs can feel overwhelming to narrow down. Following a systematic approach increases the likelihood of selecting a field and choosing a college major that is aligned with interests, strengths, and goals. The initial step explores careers naturally appealing based on favorite school subjects and hobbies. Researching typical job tasks and work environments of potential occupations associates interests with college majors. Speaking to professors and professionals currently in fields of interest provides insights on suitability. Standardized test results and prior academic performance indicate STEM strengths in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Alternatively, strong writing skills may align with humanities such as communications, history, or foreign languages. Considering future earnings, potential, and job growth outlook assists weighing options. Campus visits experience potential classes firsthand. Speaking with current students experiences educational quality, overall workload, and extracurricular involvement. Trial run by taking introductory courses examines subject enjoyment before committing ensures changing majors if realizing another fits better. Regular reflection on interests evolving over time allows adjusting majors if interests shift. By methodically progressing through these steps seeking guidance, students maximize selecting a major stimulating most potential for career fulfillment.